Hey guys, Flerovium Gaming here, and today we're doing a little screen replacement and a lightning connector replacement on Ryan's iPhone 5C.
Yep, okay, so today's the day. Parts got shipped way early, so let's get started.
So show us what your iPhone looks like right now.
Okay, so that's the screen. Cracked it the other day at school.
Hey, it dropped down the corner, so it's cracked, so we bought a little kit from iFixIt, and the lightning connector
Watch this.
malfunctioning.
So I'm gonna plug the phone in. Now, as you can see, 11% charged.
Yeah, but if you move it even a little bit, or you don't even touch it, it just, yeah.
That's the problem with an iPhone. Should have gotten an Android.
Yeah, we both have Androids, but Ryan has an iPhone. But it's okay. So it just doesn't really charge very quickly.
It charged. I have my mom's iPhone 5 as a backup.
Yes.
You should have just like put all Android specs inside of it.
Makes Android out of iPhone.
Should have taken a Core i5 and put it in there.
Anyways, this video is not sponsored by Haribo, although you can sponsor it if
Well,
you'd
now
like
that
to.
you said that,
Great gummy bears.
now they know what brand it is. It could have been like 7-Eleven.
True.
Black Forest. Those are pretty good. The juice-filled ones.
Okay, we need tape.
Scotch tape.
That's so legit. We need tape. Oh, is it for taking off the screen?
Yeah.
We
So
need tape.
got this
You mean the
guy.
suction cup?
No, tape.
We got this
So
guy.
the glasses.
Oh.
So we have the spudger, we have the panel lobe, we have the small suction cup, we have the sim eject, scissors. Who doesn't have scissors?
Hey, some people might
We got tweezers, we got the Phillips screwdriver, we got a 2.5 mil flathead, and we got the posture government tool.
You should just say we have it all, and then show them like
Not bad.
that on the screen for like 5 seconds.
One, display assembly. So we've got the tape, we need to put a little more on. And then it's time to remove the panel lobes.
What are those?
They're the two screws at the bottom of the iPhone.
They have a name for that?
Yep, they're patented by Apple.
Great.
Doing a couple layers here because we got a lot of shardage on this side. Shardage.
Frags.
Alright.
Shrapnel.
Literally.
Guess you can say.
What can you see right now?
It's extremely zoomed in on what I'm doing.
That's good, huh?
Does it have 60 FPS?
Yes.
This guy's out, which is a lightning assembly, and we're gonna put the new one in.
Oh, yes. Okay. That's a nice anti-static bag. So what are you doing, man?
Taking this little rubber grommet off. This is the new one.
Look how good this thing is. It's absolutely
see the old one?
Yeah.
Can you now?
Oh yeah.
Oh, the grommet covers the mic. Well, then that's bad, though.
Yes.
The lightning is back in.
Fortunately. You almost blew all the screws off.
Oh god.
Good job.
Ah, got you.
So
Okay,
after the lightning, we'll hope it works, and then we'll put the display on and turn it on and see how it goes. Hopefully iFixIt just didn't give you a faulty.
Gives me faulty parts.
Oh, is that the cellular antenna or the GPS antenna?
It's the cell antenna.
That's why they give you tweezers.
I hear
looks.
kind of hear a click with these guys
Nope.
too? No?
You just slide it in and you should be fine.
Slide it.
Right? Yeah. Flex centers usually have locks on them.
Looks good.
Whew.
Oh, self out really quick. Okay. Step 34, step 33, 32.
Speaker. So Ryan finally got the speaker in, right? Yeah.
E.
And now for the display. So we finally finished. I mean,
Well,
after how long? Like 45
we're not done yet. We haven't seen the phone boot.
Right. And if it doesn't boot, oh boy, new phone.
Oh boy, new phone
New
time.
phone. So we took the home button out of the old assembly.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so this one here goes on first. I cannot tell if that's on or not. And that's worrying. Slight spook.
But I'm starting to question everything. I'm not looking for just anything. On a love that is based on the truth, not just days. If I'm not inside, then you wanna let it to
Take out the tape and I want to smash it.
Dank, man. Let's see if it actually
Can I
charges.
take out the tape?
Oh, it's on, but
Oh.
we have a little bit of white up here. So. Yeah, there's a little white.
Oh no, that it's gonna go.
It's
with
just
the
bleed.
black.
Yeah.
Dude, can I take out the tape? Oh my gosh, look at that.
That's gonna go away?
Glass.
It's just display
No,
bead. It's
It's
okay.
not gonna go away.
Well, no, that just means the connector might not be on straight.
I think it means that you well, like it's I don't know.
It's bleeding light from the back light.
So repositioning mean?
You could try, but it doesn't really matter. It's not gonna affect
Let's
daily
take more
use.
time.
But it turns on.
Hey, it works, so.
Well, you
That's
haven't
all that
booted yet.
matters.
You haven't booted
Wait,
yet.
so can you bring out your mom's phone? Your old phone? Her old phone?
No.
No?
Not yet.
No, I just want to see.
Not until the phone turns on.
No, I just want to see where her phone is. Or, I mean, not where it is. I want to see the phone.
Yes!
Oh.
Yes!
How's your ego?
Oh no! Oh, okay.
Oh,
It likes to freeze up. Don't worry.
So this is natural.
can you bring out the black one? The rest will be fine.
It's actually frozen.
I'm assuming it's on this core.
Yeah.
That's hilarious.
Oh, it charges, right?
Oh. Where this?
Oh, it's just lagging. It's just lagging. It wants to glass eat it.
Yes.
I'll give you $1 if you eat it.
Well, okay.
Eat it. You want $1? Easy money.
Alright, wiggle it around.
I think it works.
Wiggle it around.
It works.
That's
We did it.
Call David Chen, sell.
Nothing's gonna work, or nothing's gonna happen if you do that.
Siri works.
Calling David Chen mobile.
No, that's not true. It could just be a bad connector. Like,
Look, it's a different screen. It's a different brand. It's not authentic
Oh, it's a
OEM.
different brand?
Because they
Okay,
can't
no,
give
you
you an OEM.
it works, am I right?
Okay, guys, we just finished.
It's
It
a little
works
bit
fine.
lovely, but I'm gonna fix that later.
But yeah, it starts up and it works.
And I
Say it's
mean,
mint.
Oh yes.
Know what it is?
It's mint,
Know what
guys.
it is?